Welcome back, Muscle Car fans. My name is Gage, and this is our Tool Truck Wednesday series, now featuring Mac Tools and Snap-on. So if you guys have a preference, just comment your thoughts below, and let's go see what Trent's up to on the Mac truck. Alrighty, we're double cameraed up. Megan's on the truck.
Hello.
Whoa, anything new today?
Yes, I have some stuff. Like I said, I'm going to be gone next week, so look through your flyer stuff. I've sold these like crazy. Hottest item in the flyer right now are these wobble impact sockets by Expert. 3/8 drive. Get your 8mm through 19mm for $169. Get your stubbies 10 through 19 for $149.
Do you have them with you?
I don't. I sold them all out.
Dude, they're that popular?
I sold like 4 in the truck this morning. They're gone.
Dang.
I've taken orders on them already and everything else. So.
Okay, why are they super popular?
The price.
That's not bad at all. No.
Yeah, prices.
Are they lifetime?
Yep. Off the truck, yep. Expert brand, lifetime.
You make it easy to want to buy stuff.
Yes, sir. Yep, that. And then I got these ratchet wrenches. La-di-do, la-di-da.
What?
19mm, or I said metric, 12-piece metric set, 8-piece standard set, wobble head, ratchets, lifetime warranty, Mac branded. They are $3.99 for both in the flyer.
Holy moly. Oh, and they wiggle at the top?
Mm-hmm.
What?
Yeah, to pull them out, you just
Come here.
come in a nice carry case.
How'd you do that?
Do what?
How'd you open them?
It's kind of like Dairy Queen there. Like your Blizzard, you know? Yeah, you open them up, then you can
okay.
pop them out.
Is Mac made in America? Mac Tools?
A lot of their tools are, yes.
Cool.
These ones?
Yeah, I didn't know.
I think these ones are too. I'm not sure. I'm not 100% sure on that.
Who?
A lot of their stuff is. Some of their stuff, not necessarily.
Right. I get it.
Our knuckle savers are probably our best line of wrenches.
Knuckle savers?
Knuckle savers.
Where can I find those?
I don't think I have any on the truck there.
Dude, you're selling out all your best tools.
Yeah, that is a problem.
That's a good thing.
That's a good thing. Tool fairs next week.
So are you re-upping next week?
Well, I'll
Like
be
getting
ordering
more?
a bunch of stuff. I don't know when it'll be coming in.
Okay. Shouts out to our shorts tab.
No, I just got
That's
precision
onto our
torques.
long form tab.
I just have precision torques on board.
Holy moly.
These are my RBRT ones, though.
RBRT, is that the strip set?
Yeah, the save. Oh man, there we go. That's just one. You can see in there, it's cutout design.
So why is that important? What does that mean?
Rounded bolt removal technology, RBRT. So you can.
Oh,
up to 80%. Yeah, I ran through that last week a little bit.
Would you mind doing it again for
Yeah,
our long
you bet.
form viewers?
Which I don't know if I got a regular 19 on here.
Yeah, if you make that Instagram, basically all platforms, we can kind of share everything with you. And I mean, the goal is that you guys buy him out. He doesn't ever have to move. He's just an online shop.
I don't know when I'll get to that. I'm
Right.
so busy right now. I don't know when I'm going to have time to do that.
I
So
get that.
just
I do.
started. But yeah, there's your RBRT socket, up to 80% rounded off bolt heads.
Okay.
So here's your good 9/16
Okay.
and your rounded out one.
Give it
Round
to
it
him.
off.
Demonstrate it.
It'll work just fine on your normal. You'll come over here and grab it to your 90%. Or 80%, sorry, 80% rounded off on these. 90% on the like the Torx drivers and the Allens.
Jeez.
But I don't really have a regular 9, I shouldn't do this, but 9/16 on my farmer pliers here. It does work on your normal on your normal one, but it won't grab nothing on that.
I know everyone's been in that scenario.
Yeah.
Everyone, I mean it.
Mm-hmm.
It's not very fun.
Yeah, so that's the RBRTs. Another promo I have going on right now, which I also am about out of, are hammer sets, anti-vibe hammers.
Ooh. Holy moly. Is that 32 pounds?
32 ounces.
Okay. Can I
32
hold it?
ounce, 42 ounce, and 40 ounce.
Okay.
The great thing about those is they are one-piece construction. They're forged in one piece. You got a cutout up here, flat top, so you can set it down on the ground. You don't got to lay your hammer in oil. And it comes up here, it splits. There's a tuning fork in the handle of the hammer.
What does that mean?
So a tuning fork sends all the vibration when you're smacking something. It sends the vibration to the head of the hammer away from your hand. So as you're hitting stuff,
You don't feel it?
You don't feel it.
Yeah, this feels really lightweight. Usually a hammer is heavy at the bottom and heavy at the top. It feels comfortable at the bottom, but like just very easy to use, very well crafted.
Oh, that's light for a hammer,
For such a big hammer too.
right?
Look at the freaking
The weights with that.
motion you're getting with that hammer.
So yeah, I got those right now in a 32, 48, and 40 ounce. Usually about $230 off the truck, selling those for $185.
Just for one.
3-piece.
3-piece.
Yeah, 3-piece. There's a 3-piece right here in red. Next to the purple.
Oh, more purple merch.
Those are nice.
Look at
There's
that.
a 3-piece set for $185.
What? 185 and you get all 3 of them?
Get all 3. That'll get you in a ticket on the smoker I'm giving away on the 20th. Draw
Guys.
for that. Also gives you a 1 in 15 shot for that guy.
Hold up. So I'm gonna show you guys how you can register. Go check out Trent's situation. Go hit him up.
I only got 2 left though.
Only 2 left.
Only 2 left. Yep, of those hammer sets. Only 2 left. I started with 15
Today?
Monday morning,
Okay.
and I've got 2 left.
You're selling out all your good stuff.
Wednesday, for reference.
I'm guessing I will either sell them out tonight, or today I mean, or probably by tomorrow I'll be drawing for that stool. That's all I have, guys. Green and red ones.
How much is the stool usually?
About $260.
Okay. Is there any warranty on that?
I actually don't know.
There are so many good things on this truck.
There's always a deal on here.
No, everything is a deal. That's exciting.
Yeah, I like giveaways like that. Work really well.
You're doing great with just 2 cameras right on you.
I know. It's a little nerve-wracking. I'm not used to it by any means.
Your videos do so good though.
Do they?
Like right off the start, everyone just positive.
Our Instagram one is at like
10K, yeah.
Yeah, I saw them on. Girlfriend found them on Facebook,
Good. Okay, yeah.
and I don't have Facebook yet. I don't even have a personal Facebook.
Did it just?
I'm old school. I am very old school for being a young guy. There we go. Either is some here. CR10.
How old are you?
1 year. 1 year warranty on that.
1 year warranty. You're only one.
What's that?
I said, how old are you?
And how old am I?
Yeah.
Who's asking? That's
Just
all
me.
I want too.
Yeah.
What year were you born?
Who's asking?
I am 29.
Oh, that's chilling. But I have a reason I asked that. This is Trent's first Mack truck.
Uh-huh.
You're doing it all yourself.
Well, not necessarily. The bank helps a lot.
Okay, but he's taking a risk, and if you guys feel like supporting, is there any way if someone called and said, "Yo, I saw this deal," would you send it to him? Would you get it to him?
No, they basically got to be on my route or meet me.
Okay?
And then I also do truck payments off the truck.
Okay,
Basically, if you want to do truck payments, you got to be at a shop that I'm currently visiting.
got it. So if they're local and they call you and plan ahead,
Yeah,
like
you can meet me and buy stuff off the truck.
okay.
Yeah.
If you did have an Instagram, I'm just curious, what would it be like if you had someone DM you and they were really serious, like, yo, I'm in one state over, but I want to buy from you?
They need to buy off their local truck.
Okay.
Just because I'm running that deal doesn't mean everybody's got that deal right now.
Yeah.
So the prices that you guys hear when you're on the truck here, those are my truck alone prices. So,
Yeah.
the guy that on the west side of Lincoln, he might not have that same deal on his truck. So 'cause we're all independent business owners. So he runs his business,
Right.
and I run my business. Yeah, that's my stool I'm giving away that came in my starter inventory, and no one wanted to buy it. So Alan decided, no, that's a good deal. You get away with these hammers that I bought on a good deal.
Okay. But what if someone wanted to pay for it and pay for shipping?
I don't know yet. I haven't got that far.
Yeah.
I'm so new to this right now.
Yeah.
And I'm just even trying to make it to every single shop on a weekly basis is hard enough.
Heyo. What is it? Mac,
What is this?
It's a
vintage.
nice tumbler.
It is very nice. And stainless.
Yeah, those finally came in. That's what I'm putting my raffles for the stool in right now, so I can't sell that one, but $30 on the flyer. I got socks on the truck too now. I even got one hoodie on the truck.
Alrighty, so I'm gonna show you guys just a little bit of what you're gonna start to see on the Mac side of our tool truck videos, long form wise. If you guys have any questions, comments, I really believe in building an online audience for Trent, so if you guys might be interested in some of these deals, it's up to you guys. We have to create enough demand. So if you guys see some tools that you're curious on, and you just ask away and we'll figure out what it costs and what we can work out. Now, if you're local, you can probably give us a call at 402... Shit, what is our phone number? Oh, we're trying to figure out our phone number. If they want to call us and show up here so they can buy from you.
I got it. Here, 402-484-0330.
Amen. So give us a call if you're local and you want this Mac toolbox or anything on the truck. We can give you guys a time frame to show up, meet Trent on his truck, and get any of your Mac. Now, do you service anyone's Mac warranty or only people you sold to?
Mac is like a lifetime brand, so yeah, we'll service them. I prefer to service customers, of course.
Fair.
Because
Preferred,
I don't make much money on warranties. But yeah, I can.
Got it. Okay. Yeah.
Especially if it says Mac on it, Mac ratchets, definitely rebuild, stuff like that.
There's a lot of hot deals. Basically, everything you touch seems like a great deal.
Got welding gloves and socks in there too.
How about this sweet hoodie?
Dude,
That's the last one I got.
the purple beanie.
Oh yeah.
That's a very purple beanie.
That's very purple.
So we've definitely gained some stuff from last time you guys were on.
Yeah, there
Hey,
is.
that's new.
I'm gaining.
Thank you.
Megan, what are your thoughts?
Your thoughts? I like this truck. I don't really use any tools here, but it's still fun to come on and look.
Would you ever happen to have a Lego set?
I don't know.
No?
Maybe. I don't know. I don't know what all they have to offer yet.
Model T?
Oh man,
We're still waiting on Megan's
I know.
pink Model T.
I know.
Is there any other like really unique specialty tools that we could talk about, show them one more live demonstration before we kind of hop off?
I don't really. This is the newest. This would be something you guys would probably like to use. I don't know if you ever
Oh, I
seen one
love
like that.
I've never seen that. Why two?
I believe for both sides of your weld at the same time, or however that is.
Interesting. Okay.
I don't know. I think it uses the same belt as your normal belt sander
Yeah.
would.
It's a little more coarse than I've seen some of them.
Mm-hmm.
I've never seen that exact material, but that's a really, like, it's a cool idea. It's very specific.
Mm-hmm.
That's the only thing.
Yeah, it's the only one I got. Another distributor had one that let me we transferred it to me because I wanted to get at least one belt sander on here.
Yeah,
so
no,
I just
that's
got it on
popular.
here last night.
Wow.
Put it on here last night, so yeah.
What are you asking for it?
That's a good question.
And this stubby little impact, do you know? I love it. I love its design. It's
Those are like
very cute.
this going right now. Oh, it's on promo.
Everything's on promo with you.
$409.99, I believe.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And the stubby impact?
You want the half or the 3/8?
I was curious about the half.
What's the half? AWP.
Are these impact settings on the side?
Yeah. 2-year warranty on that for $450.
$450. Clean. I like it.
I know some guys that own those stubbies, that 3/8 and the half, and they absolutely love it.
Yeah.
Absolutely love it. And if it does go out of warranty, like you have it long enough, it goes out of warranty, starts getting weak on you, there's always a possibility of a guaranteed repair cost. So even though it's out of warranty, I can still send it in and get it either rebuilt. If they can't rebuild, they'll send you a brand new tool for like, let's say $120 or something like that.
Well, I know you're a busy, man. Thank you, sir.
All
I
right.
appreciate you.
Yep, thank you guys.
Thank you.
Uh-oh. We were Dude, I don't know, man. He had a cool bus.
Yeah. Cool what? Bus? How are you guys?
Good. How are you?
Good.
Whoa, Snap-on is here. Let's go check it out. Come on, folks. Todd, how do you feel about that?
Just try.
That's fair. That's fair, but Snap-on? Tell me
Yeah,
new
I
hat.
know, I don't want to do
It's
that.
identical to the one you
This
have
isn't
on
the
right
one with
now.
the
Same
laser.
color.
You keep calling them my hammers.
They are your
Because they're pink.
Oh! What do you want for these?
an arm and a leg.
About 800?
They're like 760. There's 6 hammers there though.
Oh, 7 for all?
Yeah.
Lifetime?
Yeah.
And pink?
Yeah.
That's badass.
And way better hammers.
I'm curious, how, like, what goes into them?
They have like steel shot in here, and then they have a canister that free floats, so when you shake it, you can hear them bounce.
Oh,
around.
what?
So that way when you hit, it doesn't bounce back up because all that weight goes forward. You can have a Morocco party.
I was just about to say that. They're like Moroccos.
Right now, if I got these tools, that's all I pretty much... I buy all your tools, and they sit on my shelf at home, and they look pretty. Canon, they do that. Milwaukee and Snap-on, I've seen shops get sponsored by them.
Yeah.
And YouTubers get sponsored, and they get like $50K a full set of everything.
Probably get by like Tang Tools, they might.
Tang? What? Who's Tang?
They're
That's not Milwaukee.
They're American made brand.
Tang don't sound
that's what
American.
they're called.
We support the American made, and there's simply because they just seem to last longer. They seem to do the job just a little bit better. Yes, they come at a premium, but
We're trying to get
I mean, they make pink.
alrighty, this is an intriguing set of tools. I don't think I have a purpose for the hammer. He's got it all set out for me. The first thing Tucker came out and said too is, "I got your new tools."
Yeah, you call these Gage's tools. Here's the thing. He keeps giving you all the pink tools. Where's the pink items that I keep asking for? We're gonna go back and add the clip in. I'm pretty sure we had...
Pink Model T, you at
I'm
least
pretty
talked
sure
about.
We said something about a pink Model T, and it's been months. I was gonna say, Tucker, I want to enjoy the pink items too.
You can enjoy these.
But what am I gonna use these for? I don't hammer things.
Think about when you're pressing your nails on.
What?
That was a great reaction.
Hold on, I gotta press it down.
You would never have to worry about your nail tool breaking.
Because I might just break my nail.
You might not ever have to worry about having nails again.
They're gone.
No, this is cool though. I like this little... You could use this guy. Think all the things you hit.
I don't hit anything.
Well, you could think all the things you could start hitting.
Okay, this isn't a hammer. I think Tucker's selling croquet on the truck.
We come out.
Tucker, if I can ask, do you have to pay for all this stuff yourself?
I don't. I just work here.
That was interesting. Mac had to like pay for his... I feel bad bringing him up. Well, I just didn't know how it
It's all
worked.
bought and owned.
So
So I just work with Brandon, but Brandon.
owns it.
Yeah.
Okay, so someone still has to own all the tools.
Correct.
Okay.
And they're all the same way.
Later, guys. Is there any new tools or anything exciting on the Snap-on truck today?
Not yet.
Not yet. Nothing new, nothing
It's the
exciting.
first week of the month.
Didn't you say at one point you had like a pink Model T car?
I did.
What happened to it?
At this point, I do not have one.
Did Megan, you must have bought it. You got an audience, man.
I do?
Yeah. Like, people expect you. But it's going to be online.
Yeah.
Like, tool day. That's what this
Tool day? Hey, whatever you guys want to put on there.
We're just eager for a full shop sponsor.
Yeah.
And I think you're feeling that ambition.
I think.
Me? Sit on the couch, drink some beer, and watch this part of our TV show, or what?
Hey, okay, but if we had a TV show, think about that. If we had a TV show with millions of viewers,
Yeah.
and you were a part of it,
Yeah.
subscribe and take care.